Thank you so much, sir, for blessing us with your presence for this today's conclave for NAVNEET TopTech. Right? I would like to understand from you that what do you think a school should adapt, right, to enhance the learning experience according to you?
Before going into making my point regarding the experience, I would like to thank Navneet for organizing such a beautiful program, which has become an enriching and entertaining program as well. But regarding the point which the learning can be promoted is through the reading. Actually, that is one of the aspects which is nowadays missing in the exam education system. When we make the children read, what we are trying to do is to we ask them to read, and we want the result also come. But instead of that, we have to create a kind of interest in them towards reading that will make them a voracious reader. At the same time, now in the modern time, what we see is that the lacking of the executive function, executive ability in the children. When we made a study about this, we found that the children who were not able to read when they were children definitely got this type of deficiency, and they have become quite deficient in some of the areas which they are called to work in the future. That's my message, which every school should develop such a passion for developing the reading ability, and at the same time, along that ability, a kind of interest should be created, a curiosity should be created, because that's a rich world, and they can explore so many things which are still not been explored. That will open up their mind. That's my advice. All the schools should imbibe and develop such curiosity among the children towards reading. That will go a long way.
So creating good reading environment would be a very good option that the school should adapt.
In that way, we are talking so much about the technology nowadays, actually. And when we develop this, we can reduce somewhat from this technology, because we are talking about the internet village. When we develop this, children will be attracted to the books. They will be attracted to the library. The libraries which have been closed, where the children are coming, that will also be opened up. There will be so many type of books available, and the children will be asking, we can make this book available, and the children will become somewhat opened up their mind towards the world, and we can reduce the screen time also. Thank you.
Exactly. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your insight.